Hey everybody, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. First off, you're going to hear some banging in the background. I want to apologize right up front. I live on an army base here in America and there's training all the time, so I just never know when it's going to be going, and I needed to be filming now. So I have the brand new October 2022 Brutus Monroe inspiration box. This one is called Baked Fresh. When Michael reached out to me and asked if I would want to play with it, I was like, absolutely, Michael, I would love to. So I am really excited about this. So you'll notice if you've watched my channel, I used to do a lot of the Brutus Monroe boxes. And they used to be a little bit different. The box itself was like all decorated, super pretty, but I think to save a little bit of postage, cost less for the consumer and everything like that, they've packaged them into smaller boxes, and now they're in these amazing zipper pouches, and I'd be lying if I said I didn't love that. So I do. I absolutely love it. I think it's great. These pouches are fabulous if you're an on-the-go crafter like I am myself, or if you just like to keep things contained but not like stacked up all over the place. Yeah, don't even look behind me. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. It's cute. It obviously is going to fit your 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I can see it back there. It's got the little Brutus Monroe tag on it. It's really, really sweet. And it's got a nice zipper to it as well. So as it says, baked fresh. So let's jump in and take a look at what comes in this kit. So I haven't looked at it yet, so I'm excited to share it with y'all. Let's start with what's on top, and that is our ribbon. This doesn't look like it has changed since the last time I did one of the boxes. It looks like there are 3 colors, 1 yard per color, and I like that there is a solid. We've got some dots and we have some stripes. And what I love to do with the ribbon is tie up cards to give as gifts. I give out card gifts all the time, and so I love doing this. So I'm grateful those are still in there. Next up, ooh, look at that. We have a gorgeous sequin assortment, and there are sequins for days. Check it out. And they're all different sizes, different colors. We've got some tiny ones, medium ones, large ones. I love that. It makes it so easy to decorate the outside of your cards using different sizes, because I think that's very visually appealing. And these are super pretty. I love the iridescence of them. We've got oranges, browns, almost like yellow maybe, and almost like a turquoise, but ooh, we'll dive into it. But you've got sequins for days. You could be making shakers, you could be decorating the outside. You just have lots of options. Ooh, check this out. All right, we have some card bases. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 card bases. These are A2 size, so already out of the gate you're going to be able to make some A2 size cards. I think that's great that they're including those. All right, next up, yay, I'm so glad they still have these foilable card panels. Look at that. This one is, so 4 designs, 2 of each. I love that. Let's take a look at how pretty these are, because they always have the most amazing foilable panels. And I haven't foiled in a while, so I'm super excited to do this. All right, so we've got a couple with wheat on them. Apologize for the lighting over here too. We've got some bread. That's so cool. Look at the detail. Oh my goodness. So these are great because you can alcohol marker color on them, you can ink blend, and then you can go ahead and foil. So, which is what I would suggest, is do all your coloring and whatnot first and then foil it. So we are definitely going to be doing some foiling. I'm really excited about this. Yay! Those are so pretty too. Glad they still have them. All right, next up, we've got some, yes, foilable conversation clippings, 2 designs, 2 each. So that means there's probably 2 black and 2 white, and yes, there are. And look at those. So these are foilable, or, obviously you don't have to foil them. You could just cut them right out the way that they are and put them right on your cards. But you've got so many sentiments here that, oh my goodness, I kiss better than I cook. Calories, schmalories, that's great. These are some fun ones. Love it. Oh, great. Okay, so happy that they still have those as well. I know y'all love those. And then, oh, look at this. We have a paper pad. Oh my goodness, check it out. So it is 12 patterns, 2 of each, and it looks like it's all plaids What a pretty fall color. Let's take a look at some of these. Double-sided, these are nice and thick. So these are going to be great for your cards to make them good and sturdy. Those are beautiful. So you got some really beautiful patterns. Oh, I love it. That's great. I love that. And then let's pull out, before we get into the stamp set, let's pull out our cardstock. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are more layering cardstocks. So these are they're not heavy, like a heavy duty. So these are going to be really good for layering up. You've got some pink, white, black, blue, black, brown, and then you've got a whole 8.5 by 11 sheet of their gold glitter stock. So this is good. Got lots of options for cardstock, or for cards there. And then let's pull out the stamp set because I can't wait any longer. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is the Baked Fresh stamp. There's 22 stamps in there and we have some matching dies. Oh, that makes me so happy. So it looks like you've got, I mean, all kinds of baking going on here. The pie, look at that. So you've got options for what you want to put inside your pie. I like that. You got a pie slice. Got some whipped cream, got some bread. Oh goodness, I love it. And then our sentiments say, happy is homemade, seasoned with love, enjoy life, it's delicious. I only have pies for you. Autumn skies, pumpkin pies, that is great. And then we've got dies for all of those big images, even the smaller ones like your pear, even your whipped cream. Look, oh my gosh, that's awesome. All right, so that is the kit, and obviously I'm going to be making some stuff with it. So like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't, if you're not already a subscriber, and be sure to check back because I am definitely going to have some stuff made with this new kit. So all right, everybody, I'll see you soon. Bye.